jellyfish. There's jellyfish in the water. Look at those jellyfish. Jellyfish? Yeah, they're not that hard to spot, but they're pretty big actually. I feel like I'm gonna get hit by a bike one day.
You're gonna what?
Get hit by a bicycle one day.
And it's gonna be recorded. I mean, it's pretty good YouTube content if you ask me.
So what is that? Let's check it out.
That building?
Yeah. Asahi Group Head Office Building. Asahi Group Head Office Building. Oh, that's the beer. Asahi.
Which one?
That
Oh,
one, yeah.
no, this one, right?
Yeah. The one with the thing in the on the top.
Oh wait, that's Asahi?
Yeah.
You're kidding.
And then you have Tokyo Sumidagawa Brewing
Yeah,
next.
that's Asahi.
Right there.
I don't know what this is.
That's Asahi.
That's such an interesting building.
That's the this one.
I mean, it's the view from there though. Is that the building?
Yeah. Let's go check it out.
Yeah, let's go find out.
It could be the one to the. I was thinking it's the one to the left. Where it has like the
This
glass stuff
one?
up top. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
That looks more appropriate because it's higher up.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, that's where they make it.
It could be this whole complex.
What is that?
Name of the work is Golden Flame.
Golden Flame.
Yeah.
So that's the Golden Flame. Okay. That's good to know.
Oh, yeah.
So this is half price. That's cool. So, oh, it's closed. What time they
No,
open?
it's this
It's the
building
next
though.
building.
Not the next one.
Yeah.
Okay, what's this building?
Black freezing highball. Highball tastes like another light.
Give me 53.
I can't lie, these steps here are kind of unnecessary.
Yeah. It's for the art, bro.
I guess. And it's like so close to the post and it's.
Everything is about how it looks. Gotta be like proper, you know? They have to show, they need something that says it speaks for itself, you know, like this is Japan.
True. I just felt like they could have.
Like I feel like the Japanese, they work, like they go the extra mile when they build things to like do the little details. Like this, look at this. Look. Asahi Sky. Let's go to Asahi Sky Room.
I think you have to go here and then use the escalator.
Oh, okay. There's so many stairs here, everywhere. So you better be okay to climb stairs if you come to Japan.
12階です。
Juni? Oh, it's 12. Not yet.
上に参ります。17階です。ドアが閉まります。18階です。
Yeah?
上に参ります。
Yeah?
Not yet.
No? Oh, 21, okay.
21階です。
Let's go. 3 people. Yes. Serving beer at 2.2. MSN.
Standard second line, 1, 2, 3 size, 3 degrees beer. Minus 2 very cold beer. Only one size.
Okay.
Mild taste, super dry, mild beer.
Mild beer,
Mild,
okay.
Yes. Black beer and ale beer, rich taste, small glass. The sample size, 1, 2, 3 size.
Yeah. I want that one.
Glass of brick.
Damn, that's more.
Wow. I like that one. Is that 1 liter? 1 liter, yeah?
I'll get the super dry extra cold.
Extra cold one.
Yes, please.
Would you like to pay together or separate?
Separate would be great. Yeah.
Free table on the table, please.
Okay. Oh, can I pay?
Yes, PayPay and QR, electronic money, Suica, Pasmo, and QR code and cash, please.
Do you have change for me?
Yeah, don't you? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Oh, big bill.
Break it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Do you guys get this one? The extra large?
No, we got the extra
Oh,
cold.
okay.
Because this is
I feel
only
like-
served here.
Yeah, I feel like
Oh.
that's the start of the show. So
Yeah.
So this is one is bigger. Oh, this one is bigger.
Yes, for the
This one,
medium
please.
size.
Yes, please.
I'm going for home run. Man.
Oh, that's too much. Imagine giving them 10,000 and then like it was 1,000.
Yes, thank you very much.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
エクストラ2つのジョッキ。
Alright. Oh wow.
Oh, they move.
Wait.
Wait.
See?
I know what's going on. Yeah, it slides.
Slides.
You just sit. Yeah.
Slides back.
I was confused for a second.
Oh yeah, this is so cool. Okay. So that's 350 meters, where the first one, and then you can go like a little more to 450. Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, so this is 750 milliliters of beer. Kanpai. Hey guys. Alright guys, kanpai.
Sorry, we tried that.
Yeah, it's not good.
Oh, that's the train I took yesterday. So that train brings you. It's super slow. That's the slowest train.
Oh, God.
Alright guys, kanpai. You guys made it. Congratulations.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers for making it. Yeah.
We went all the way for it.
So cool.
Mm.
That's good.